How to start with basic effects and animations in Wix Studio. So in order to actually use them, what we can do is you can just select in here an element that you want to add those effects into. For example, let's choose in here this particular image. Click onto that image, and then after that, you should be able to see in here these options that we have right here. What we can do is we can click onto these three dots, and you can see in here as well. Now, other option is to open your inspector and then tackle it from there. Once you're on your inspector, click onto this icon right here, which is our animations and effects. From in there, you can choose from entrance animations, hover, click, scroll, loop, and mouse effects. Do take note that the kind of animation or effects depends on the particular element. Like for example, some of these are not available to the button elements. So for example, let's choose in here an entrance, click on add, and then from in there, just choosing here what kind of animation you would want. You can see how that will look like when you hover to these parts. For example, right here, let's choose expand, and it should be able to be applied into the element that we have chosen. You can click on the text, and let's try to add an animation to that as well. For the text, choose which one you want. It can be mouse effects or other options. So that's how you start with basic effects and animations in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.